Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the next point, one of the points from the writing section for the question, that is letter writing. We all are familiar with how to write letters. In writing section for this year, in short composition we have notice and poster, and in long composition speech and debate. But here in letter writing, this is the compulsory question, mandatory. So in letter writing, we have to discuss few types, because in 11th standard we are discussing about only formal letters, because letter writing, letters are having two types, two kinds of letters. First one is formal letter, another one is informal letter. But here now onwards we will deal with only formal letters, not informal. So here this letter writing question, and in that we have to discuss or learn how to write business or official letters. And one more is coming, that is writing a letter to school authorities or college authorities, that we will discuss later on. So here, first of all, we will see the importance of letter writing. We know that today we are living in the world of technology, modern era. We have different ways to convey our message. Medias, through email we can convey the message, through telephone, text messages, or the different things we have. But still, this letter writing, it is one of the most popular means of communication between the two parties or the people. So it is an important channel of communication. Still it holds its importance in today's era also, letter writing. So one has to know that how to write a letter, how to how to prepare the format, how to mention the content, all these things. So in spite of the prevalence of an email, telephone and text messages, I wrote here abbreviation in short, text messages, still this type or the letter, it holds its importance. So here in this type of letter, that is business or official letter, it is a formal type of letter, and in formal type we have to discuss that how to write business or official letter. And now in this type, various different types of the letters come. For example, here this type, it includes for making inquiries. If you want to inquire about anything, for that reason also that we can write this letter. It comes under the heading of business or official letter. Next, registering complaints. If you want to register complaints about anything to any officer, that it comes under this heading, that is business or official. Next, asking for or giving information. This also comes under this heading. Next, placing an order. I hope that you have learnt this type, placing orders, in the previous class or standard. We have learnt how to write. So I hope that you have a little bit idea about the format, about the language, content, information, all these things, placing orders. Next, and sending replies. So all these types, that they come under this heading, that is business or official letters. And this question, it carries 5 marks. Earlier it carries 6 marks. So but now this year 30% deduction is there, syllabus reduced. So everywhere that they have reduced the weightage of the marks. So now see, total 5 marks. And what is the analysis of the 5 marks? 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 for the format, 1 mark for the format. Next, these 2 marks for the content, and the next one, that is last 2 marks for the expression. Are you getting? This is the analysis of 5 marks. 1 mark for the format, including your address, date, subject, salutation, and your final, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and your name. This is the part of format. It includes 1 mark. It comes here 1 mark. Next, your content. Your content, whatever you are going to mention in your letter, the quality of your content, it comes here for 2 marks. And the last one is expression. What comes in expression? Expression, it evaluates your grammar and your language. The standard of your language or the accuracy of the language here comes in expression. So this is the analysis. And the word limit is given in 120 to 150 words that you have to wind up your letter writing. Do not cross more than 120 to 150 words. So this is all about, in short, the information about letter, that today one by one we will discuss that how to write all these types of the letters, what is the format, because format is same everywhere. Whenever we write in especially formal letter, that time the format is same, sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation. The format is same, only the change in content comes. So now next module onwards we will take one example of each type for the discussion. So here we have introduced in short that the meaning of letter writing, its essence, and plus what are different types which come under this heading, business or official letters. So thank you, students.